Can you transfer ITIN credit to SSN? Imagine moving to a new country and trying to keep your financial history intact. You might wonder if your tax and credit records linked to your individual taxpayer identification number can follow you. The good news is yes, you can transfer your tax and credit history from your ITIN to your new Social Security number once you get it. This process helps keep your earnings, tax payments, and credits all in one place, which is important for building your credit and accessing benefits. First, let's clarify what an ITIN is. It stands for Individual Taxpayer Identification Number. The IRS issues it to people who need to file taxes but are not eligible for a Social Security number. It is mainly for tax purposes and does not give work rights or Social Security benefits. An SSN, or Social Security number, is used for employment, taxes, and Social Security benefits. When you become eligible for an SSN, usually through a change in your immigration status, you should start using the SSN instead of the ITIN. Why is transferring your ITIN history to your SSN important? Well, your Social Security benefits depend on your recorded earnings. If your tax history stays separate, your previous income and payments might not count toward your future benefits. Also, keeping your records linked ensures your tax credits and refunds are accurate. Without this transfer, your earnings under the ITIN might not be reflected under your SSN, which could affect your credit history and benefits. So, how do you transfer your ITIN history to your SSN? After you get your SSN, you need to tell the IRS that you now have an SSN and want to link it to your old ITIN records. You can do this by calling the IRS, visiting a local IRS office, or writing a letter. When you contact them, include your full name, address, your ITIN, your new SSN, a copy of your Social Security card, and your ITIN assignment notice if you have it. The IRS will then cancel your ITIN and merge your tax history with your SSN. This process can take up to 30 business days. For building credit and managing your finances, this transfer is very helpful. While your ITIN itself does not build credit, your tax filings show your income and payments. Once your records are linked to your SSN, your earnings and tax payments are properly documented. This can help when you apply for loans, credit cards, or other financial services. Remember, after you get your SSN, always use it for your taxes and financial transactions. Continuing to use your ITIN can cause problems with your tax credits and refunds. For immigrants planning their finances, it is best to apply for your SSN as soon as you are eligible. Then, notify the IRS to transfer your tax history. Keep copies of all your documents and correspondence. If needed, seek help from a tax professional or community organization that works with immigrants. They can guide you through the process to make sure everything is done correctly. In short, transferring your ITIN tax history to your SSN is a simple but important step. It helps you keep your financial records accurate, access benefits, and build your credit in the United States. Moving from an ITIN to an SSN means your past work and payments are recognized, supporting your financial future.